In this video, I'm going to show you how in D2L you can go in and update some of the settings on a quiz. For example, you give your students the opportunity to take a quiz multiple times and you need to adjust that setting. That's specifically the part we'll be addressing today, but we'll look at some other things while we're in there. Go ahead and go to the course that you have your quiz set up in and click into your content area. I chose the new student orientation that Colby Beam is sort of in charge of. And if you go to quizzes, you can click on any of these quizzes to take one. So Colby's got this sample quiz test option set up in here. And what we need to do is we actually need to edit this so we can see that it's a graded item. Click the quiz setup button right here. And when you do, you are able to go in and readjust your whole quiz. You can change questions, you can pick your different categories and do all sorts of different things. So this quiz is already set up and ready to roll. But you have the one student and you know they need to do well, and this is one of those things that you can adjust. So on the assessment tab across the top, so you can set restrictions for due dates or when it's going to be open or closed or whatever. The next tab is the assessment tab. And if you click into the assessment tab and scroll down just a little bit, you can change the number of attempts that are allowed on a quiz. So if you just want one attempt or two attempts, no problem. Or in this case, Colby has it set as unlimited attempts. If I want to change that to something else, then I can just pick it and hit the apply key. And then you just tell the quiz how to grade it. Do you take there's several options: the lowest attempt, an average, the first, the last, and then you pick the one that's going to work best for your class. Scrolling back up to the top, if you have objectives that are tied in, or submission views, which will also give you some different views that you can show, or you can set up and run reports on your quiz. So there you go. That's how you can get in and edit a quiz that you've already created.